Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 28th, 2021. Wanted to come in real quick and give you all an update as to what the market has been doing in Aave. You guys can tell we did a price prediction earlier on. You guys can see maybe around April the 8th, 2021, with the anticipation that the price is going to go lower in price. We're going to break that down. Then we're going to give you all an update as to what we're seeing into the market in Aave and as to where to expect the price to go. If you appreciate that, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel and come back again and again and watch our videos, because there's nothing like having someone give you a heads up as to where the price is going to go right before the price gets there. All right, so let's break down what occurred into the market in Aave as of late against our last price prediction. So initially, you all can see here that the market in Aave, rather than dipping in price of what we anticipated, it went higher, right? We had our restriction area right there around $405. The market definitely exceeded that, topped out all the way up here on April the 15th around 490. So depending on your time preference, this prediction did not go right, okay? But you can see not long after April the 15th, April the 18th, so 3 days after that particular top out period, the market in Aave came and took out our TP price. This is one reason why you really need to understand how to read the market, because many people would have felt that the market went against them and that they would have gotten out, when in actuality we were just simply too early to the party before everyone else realized that Aave was going to dip, right? We saw that weakness back here on April the 8th. April the 18th, the market came and took out our ultimate TP price right there, 15%. So what, 10 days? The market was trading before we actually saw that come to fruition. And it goes that way sometimes. You know, our restriction area obviously was not correct. We should have extended it at least all the way up here towards our restriction area line around 425, at least. But even then, the market would have caught many people in an emotional trance to where they would have thought that they were in a bad position, when in case there wasn't. We were just there to the party too early. So congratulations to you on that one. Obviously, a lot has changed since then. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want us to zoom out. I want you all just to look at Aave. You know, just take a visual look at it. Look at the market structure that is going on in Aave, and you tell me what is going on. Like, what are you seeing into the market in Aave? We're just simply trading sideways. There's not a lot going on into the market in Aave. And to be honest, this is where the restriction area is into the market in Aave. Okay, right there. So let me show you that this market, since the beginning of the year, has just been bouncing in between these two lines. That's it. So what that tells us, it tells us a lot. There's either two things going on in the market in Aave while it's been bouncing in between these two lines. One could be the trap is open up his bags, trying to buy as much as this Aave cryptocurrency as possibly can right before the market breaks out to higher price movement. Or two, he is selling his bag into the market, catching everyone off, thinking that the market is going to continue to go higher in price right before he dips the market. Those are the only two things that occurs when the market is trading sideways. That's it. Okay, so let's look at the market in Aave real quick on a 3-day time frame, and literally you all can see here that we are seeing astronomical demand come into this particular cryptocurrency. It lets me know that even though we did see some dippage on this last 3-day price bar, that didn't have any impact on the market demand in Aave. Like, literally, this particular cryptocurrency is still monumental. It still has enough gas and energy to continue to push it to higher prices. Now, we've adjusted our restriction area. We did move higher to around 475. That is where the last area of restriction came through. So obviously, we will be expecting us to see that again as the market in Aave continues to go higher in price. That will be the first area for us just to skim off a little bit of profitability right there. Okay, 5-day time frame. This even looks better in the sense that the market strength is still intact. Now, we're not going to be fooled because we have already seen prior price history that yes, even though the market in Aave has given us a lot of demand and interest in higher prices, we still have history that we can fall back on and see where the market found restriction, which is around 475. Okay. So let's look at the market in Aave on a weekly time frame. Looks pretty good so far, right? But we're not going to be complacent on this current weekly price bar because we still have 4 days and 13 hours left. You guys can see it right there. So literally, we can't be too dependent into the market in Aave from a weekly basis. Not even here on a 2 weeks basis. So real quick, we're going to play this on a daily time frame. And obviously, we're going to come into the market in Aave and skim off some of that profitability around 475. I do like what's going on though. Okay. Definitely need to see the market come in and hold price right here around $415, give or take. And our first area of TP, which simply means take profit, which would be around $473, right? Which is around 4%. Now, when I saw this on the 3-day time frame, we can actually see the market in Aave come up here towards $500, okay? Maybe even a tad higher than that. But generally, this is what we're seeing. We're going to get the market trying to break this last prior restriction area to around $500. Now, if he's not successful, we already know that. We have 475 as our first area TP under that presumption if he's unsuccessful. But if he is, which kind of reflects that he will be on the 3-day time frame, which is why we're going to try to pursue around $500 or so as the ultimate TP price. And that's it. We're in position. We are now expecting the market to continue to give us some strength, some movement higher. Our first take profit area for us would be around 475, all the way up there towards 500. Okay, that's it. We're in position. We understand what the market is trying to do. Right now, demand is entrenched. It is definitely dominating the market. And one thing that we do not do, we do not buck the trend. We just simply follow what the trap has laid out for us so that we can win. So now drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know, what do you all see into the market in Aave? Do you think that this cryptocurrency will continue to see higher price movement, or will we see lower prices? Let me know. What is your price prediction? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.